Congratulations from me for your win. All you volunteers in Presbyterian Support who won the Regional Trust Power Community Awards. Whether you're involved with Youth Grow, the Buddy Program, the Op Shop or Stepping Stones, you've done a fantastic job. Now, I know that you didn't win any of the category awards, and it was a bit of a surprise when you won the Supreme Award. And the reason for that is the entries and the work you do covers so many areas, so many communities, that it was the total effort that you put in that won the prize. So I'd like to thank you for that. You deal with lots of people who are unlucky, lonely, vulnerable in the community, and you put so much in and you contribute so much to our communities, and that's what this award is recognising. And I'm looking forward next year to the Nationals in Rotorua, and we'll see if we can take the top prize. We'll see if you can take the top prize.